really cut this beforehand, shouldn't I? What a dickhead. Trying to talk and didn't have my microphone on or even switched on. That's a good start. But how I hold it, I like to have like a good grip. Oh, my dirty mind. Anyways, makeup obsession, feeling. I actually picked up. Oop, that actually didn't hit my head, but it really nearly did. It's gone really tacky on the skin, which like obviously is a good thing because it. Oh, I've just dropped my beauty sponge. Oh well. Oh well. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop one. I'm actually sweating. I feel like I need to have a nervy poo. Just do it, Lucy. Just film the video. I feel like I've tried a different cup. Oh my god, how's the word out? And I think I'm gonna go in with. Oh god, I'm scratching it, forgetting I've got makeup on. Oh, for God's sake, Lucy. And that's what she looks like. So I'll leave them both linked up. Like, oh man, a bit. And I'm literally gonna just kind of tap this. Oh, actually, before I put before I put my it contains 12 ultra. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna pack this all over the lid. Gotta do a titty dance. However, just not got. I just didn't go there as well. But that brush looks. Oh, I dropped it. You're getting like all of your other stuff done. I'm actually. What the hell? It's like metallic. What the hell's going on? 12 eyeshadow palette. I need to stop being so excited for my videos because my words don't come out. They're just like, or if somebody's new to makeup or somebody just absolutely loves makeup. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. And then I'm just taking that fluffy brush. I wish it'd stop focusing on my little green things in the background because it's actually driving me insane. And I'll hopefully see you all tomorrow for a new day of blood. What the hell? Oh, ooh, oh! I think it would be a little bit too. This camera's fucking pissing me off. So we have obviously the hi-hat. Ooh, that was that was just a plastic coming out. I thought the full thing was falling out then. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you want me. I can't say my words out because I'm too excited again. Please let me know down below what videos you want me to do. Keep getting paranoid. I've got it on my teeth. Okay. Prime and moisturise that leaves skin with a dewy glow. Oh, I just nearly dropped it. I did drop it. Oh god. Am I okay? Ooh. No, it's not. I was going to say it's 20. Wait, where's the time going? But it's not. It's 25 past 2. Oh, old person. Have you heard that clack? Clack? That click? Have you heard that click? The click in my back. Ow. But what happened is she ordered some online and... Hello.
Love you. Well, not the way.
I'll let you love me.
Would you be able to put my washing out if you get a chance, please? Only a few bits.
Yeah, we put it in the machine then?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Look. I did it. That's okay. Okay, bye. I'm just taking this on a bell. What else is it called? So let's get straight into it. We'll find out. Oh god. And I'm sorry it's a little bit up. Oh god, I haven't spit my words out. Blah, blah, blah. So as always, you get the little kind of voucher in. Oh god. Even more so, even if you put my. I'm gonna try and spread this out. I have to move this microphone because this is not working for me. Oh my god, this brush stinks. I can feel that hair there. I can feel it get off my body. Oh my god, maybe I put too much on. Okay, let's tap some off the back of my hand. Hello. I'm filming. What are you doing? So, all over the lips. I definitely need to shave my moustache because it's starting to come through a bit brown and black now. Oh my god. Unbelievable. My eyeball is killing me. My contact lens is gone. Oh my god. It's like my eyeball doesn't want it in. It drives me insane. What foundation should I put on? Let's put on one that I know. The like full size and full price. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you, oh god. Let's say a little prayer for you. I covered in gloss. Sneeze. We have also unboxed. We have also unboxed the Revolution. God. Okay, contact lens. So yeah, I got one. Can't get it out. God, it's like giving birth. And I'm going to take a little bit of